All right, folks. Today we have lesson number 15 and it's about calculation priorities. Let us go and jump directly see what is calculation priorities. All right, most of the people, they make mistakes with the math expression because they don't know the orders of operation or the order of operations. We have here this picture as you see. It's about BODMAS or BIMDAS. BODMAS, BIMDAS is explained to you the order of operations, and it starts always from left to right. Don't forget, from left to right. So we have the priorities here, as we said, for first thing, BODMAS or BIMDAS, they say for bracket or parentheses or order exponents. Order exponents is like square root or power, and divided, multiply, and add and subtract. So this is the order of operation. All right. And many people do make mistakes in solving similar math expressions because they don't follow the correct order of operations, both mass or mass. As we said, we have here a math expression. We want to solve it. All right. So from where we will start? Which priority here we have? Do we have brackets? No, we don't have brackets. Do we have any exponents, for example, square root or power? No, we don't have. So we have divide or multiply. Yeah, all right. We have multiply. All right. While we have multiply, from where we should to start? Order operation, he said, or it said, we should to start from left to right. So we'll start from here. So first thing, we will solve it in this math expression is 4 multiply 4. 4 multiply 4, it will give me 16. All right. Should we go directly to the plus, to the addition, to the add? No, we cannot. Why? Because we still have another priority from left to right. So we will ignore this plus now, and we will solve this multiplication expression or math expression in this place in the math expression. So we will say 4 multiply 4. 4 multiply 4 also, it will give me 16. So should I go to this plus or this minus? No, I should ignore them because the priority here in both mass or BIMDAS for the divided and multiply. So I will jump to the last 4 multiply 4. 4 multiply 4 is give me 16. Now I will get back, while the plus and minus, they have the same priority. So I will get back from left to right as according to order of operations. So I will say now 16 plus 16, it will give me 32. And I will take the result of this. I will say 32 plus 4. 32 plus 4, it will give me what? It will give me 36. And now I end up just with the minus. So I will say 36 minus 16, the result of this. 36 minus 16, it will give me 20. So this is the final result for this math expression. Let us go and take another example. All right. Oh, we have brackets, we have divided, all right, and also multiply, minus. So from where we can start? All right, let's get back to order of operations. The priority is the practice or parentheses. So the bracket is the first here, which we should take it. And inside the bracket, we should also check the priorities. For example, we have the first priority in BODMAS, the bracket. All right, you'll start from here, left to right, which example like 9 minus 2 or 2 multiply 3. We don't know which numbers we should to start first. We check again the order of operations, the priority, not the minus, because before of the minus and the addition, before it has before the priority for multiply. So we'll start from here, 2 multiply 3. 2 multiply 3 is giving 6. And after that, we'll say 9 minus 6, it will give me 3. And after that, we finish the bracket and what inside the bracket and with its priorities. So we will go now to the final number, which is 18 divided 3. It will give me 6. All right. And let's go also and jump to example number 3. Example number 3. Oh my God, there is more than one bracket. So from where I should to start? All right. A square bracket like this, or parentheses, or normal brackets, or like these loop brackets, it's okay. It's all brackets. It's all same. It's all has the first priority. So don't shocked because of the shape of the bracket. It's same. So while we have brackets, we should start from left to right according to the order of operation. So we will start from this bracket. But inside this big bracket, there is also inside this big bracket, as you see here and here. And inside this big bracket, the second one, we have also small one inside. So we will start from, always when we have more than brackets together, we always start from inside bracket, from left to the right, from the inside one, from the one it's a small bracket and inside the big bracket. So we will start from here. The first operation, or the first process that will take it from +5, it will give me 9. And after that, we will say 72 divided 9. This will give me 8. And after that, we finish the brackets. All right. We don't have anything in the bracket, so we will go to the number 10 minus 8. It will give me 2. And let's go now and jump to example number 4. Oh wow, we have bracket, but we have also exponents, which is like the power here, 2 power 2. So from where we should start? The priority, as order operation said, brackets. All right, so let's start with the bracket from left to right. From left to right. And inside the bracket, don't forget to check also the priorities. For example, here we have multiply and we have minus. So the priority for which one first? For the multiply according to order of operation. So we will say 6 multiply 2, it will give me 12. And after that, 12 minus 6, it will give me 6. And after that, 6 minus 1, it will give me 5. So the final result for all these brackets numbers inside it, it's 5. And now, which priority is first? Multiply, should we do 5 multiply 2, or first we check the exponents, because it has the first priority, then the multiply. So we cannot say, or we cannot do 5 multiply 2 power 2. No, because the exponents, it has the priority first according to order operation here. So look, exponents is before the multiply. So we will ignore 5 multiply 2 now. We will do the power. We will do the exponents first. 2 power 2, it will give me 4. And after that, we will say 5 multiply 4, the result of the exponents. So 5 multiply 4, it will give me 20. All right. And let's jump now, see example number 5. Example number 5, it has a lot of brackets, but as we say, don't panic, just focus and the priority, look at the order of operations and see which priority first. So you have a lot of brackets and multiply and minus and plus. And we say the priority is for the brackets. So we will start from, while we have a lot of brackets, we'll start from the inside one, which here, 5 minus 3, this is the inside one bracket, the smallest one inside the biggest bracket. So 5 minus 3, it will give me 2. And after that, 7, we will go out a little bit. 7 multiply 2, it will give me 14. And after that, 2 will go also out a little bit after we finish this inside one bracket, and this the outer one. And after that, the last one here, 2 plus 14, it will give me 16. And after we finish all the brackets, and its results in the end 16, so we will say 4 multiply 16, it will give me 64. All right. And now let's jump to the biggest example in this lesson. Oh wow, we have divided exponents, brackets, plus everything together here exists. So which priority first here according to order operation? It told us the bracket, and from left to the right. So we will focus in this bracket. We have bracket, we forget everything. We focus in the bracket from left to the right. And inside the bracket, we should focus which priority first. So inside the bracket, according to the order of operations, the priority first for the exponents, which means 3 power 2. 3 power 2, which we will start first. 3 power 2 is give me 9. And after that, we will check also the priority is plus or minus or divided. The priority according to order of operations inside this bracket, after we did the exponents, that it's has the first priority in this bracket, the first one that we start from it, because according to order of operations from left to right, so we start with this bracket. So the priority after the exponents is divided, right? So 9 divided 9, it will give me 1. And after that, it will not make sense to start with minus or plus. Like, we don't know which one we start, minus or plus, because both of them has the same priority. But because the order of operations say from left to right, so we'll start with the plus. It's on the left more than the minus. So we will start with the plus. So 1 plus 20, it will give me 21. And now we will go to the minus after we take the result of 1 plus 20, which is 21. 21 minus 1, it will give me 20. So the first bracket, all its results is 20. And now we will go to another bracket. We'll ignore this divided. We'll go to another bracket because the priority to the brackets first. We finish the left bracket. According to order of operations, it's from left to right. Now we will go to another bracket. The another bracket, it said it has two brackets together inside each other. We will start with the inside one, as we said. So 3 plus 1, it will give me 4. All right. And 4, don't go to outside. Why? Because we still have here exponents. It has the priority, and these exponents belong to this inside bracket. So 4 bar 2, it will give me 16. And after that, which priority we have, plus or divided according to order of operations, is divided. So 8 divided 2, it will give me 4. And after that, 16 plus 4, it will give me 20. So that's how you should to practice and focus on order of operations to solve any math expression. And we need it a lot in our programming. For that, you should to understand how it's work and how to solve the math expressions. All right. And now the last thing, it's the divided that it's left. So we will take the result of all this bracket, which is 20, divided 20. The last, also the second bracket, the whole result for it is 20. So 20 divided 20, it's 1, right? So the result of this whole math expression is 1. And now let's go to logical priorities. If you finish the homework that I gave it to you in the previous lesson or video about the logical, we take like mathematical operators and relational operators and logical operators. And logical operators, it was the important in that lesson, the previous lesson. So if you solve that homework, it will be a piece of cake for you, this logical priorities math expression. We have here math expression for logical operators. It's same. We use the same order of operation from left to right, and we give the priorities for the brackets and exponents and multiply, divide, and add and subtract. All right. So we have here brackets. First, we start from left to right, which is 9 bigger or greater than 2. Yes, so it's true. And now we will go another brackets. We'll ignore this or. The another bracket is from left to right. We have 4 plus 2, because this is not make sense, equal 5. So we'll start from these two numbers. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. And now we can comparing 6 equal 5. No, so it will give me false. All right. And now inside the bracket, we still have or. So we'll take these results to true or false. We say in or operators, any true in or operators is give us true. If you have one condition true in or operators, it give us true. While we have here one true, so true or false, it will give me true. And now we finish the brackets. We will go out. What we have true and operator. Okay, true and true, it will give me true, because in and operations, it should to be the both conditions true to give me true. And if one of these condition was false, it will give me false. But we have here in AND operation that we end up with it with the last results of these brackets results. We have true and true, it will give me true. That was the final result for this math expression. All right. And now I have this small homework. I give you some math expressions. I want you to solve them and put them in the comments down below. Try to spend time on them. It's easy. I want you to practice and solve them all from this easiest one, the first one here, to the hardest one here. Actually, all of them easy, but they look big, especially here, they look big and a little bit complicated. But if you focus and you follow the order of operation, it will be easy peasy for you. You will not even suffer to solve these things. And that was the lesson of today. I see you next lesson, guys. Ciao.